family Asteraceae, commonly called as sunflower family, one of the largest families of flowering plants, represented by about 1100 genera and over 20,000 species, and they are worldwide in distribution. About 150 genera and over 700 species have been reported from India. Some of the genera with their approximately known number of species are Senecio, Vernonia, Euphorium, Aster, etc. Systematic position according to Engler and Prontal. It belongs to class Dicotyledonea, order Tubiflorae. Vegetative characters. Coming to the habit. Usually annual or perennial herbs. Some are shrubs or trees or climbers, and some are xerophytes. The stem is herbaceous, solid, and hispid. Leaf is simple, alternate, opposite, rarely whorled. Margin may be pinnately apomically lobed. Hairy leaves, usually with oil passages. Some contains latex reticulate. Inflorescence. It is usually a head inflorescence, may be homozygous and or heterozygous. Florets are of two types, namely ray floret and disfloret. Coming to ray florets. Ray florets are zygomorphic, ligulate, incomplete, pistillate, epigynous. Calyx. Calyx is modified into pappus, numerous in number, persistent. Corolla. Petals are 5, ligulate, unequally lobed and valvate. Androecium is absent. Gynoecium. Carpels 2, syncarpus, ovary inferior, unilocular, ovule single, anatropous, ovule, basal placentation, style is exerted, stigma is bifid. Coming to disc floret. Disc florets are actinomorphic, complete, bisexual, epigynous. Even here, calyx is modified into pappus, numerous and persistent. Corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, tubular, valvate. Androecium, stamens 5, epipetalous, syngenesious, dithecous and intrors. Gynoecium, carpels 2, syncarpus, ovary inferior, unilocular, ovule single, anatropous, basal placentation, style exerted, stigma bifid. Fruit is cypsela. Plants of economic importance. Oil obtained from the seeds of Catharmus tinctorius, that is safflower, is used in manufacture of soaps, paints and varnishes. Helianthus oil, that is sunflower oil, yields edible oil. Tegatus, that is French marigold, the aromatic essential oil is used in perfumery. Dyes obtained from Catharmus tinctorius is used in coloring candles, butter and several liquors. Insecticides. Powdered dry capitula of chrysanthemum, coccinum are used in preparation of insecticide. Medicinal plants. Artemisia sina, flower heads provide the drug santonin, an antidote against intestinal worms. Grindelia camphorum, heads are used in bronchitis, whooping cough. Inula helium leaves are effective against tuberculosis. The drug Taraxacum, obtained from the roots and rhizome of Taraxacum officinale, is used as mild laxative. Speranthus indicus capitula are used for curing stomachache and piles. Ornamental plants are aster, calendula, chrysanthemum, dahlia, helianthus, tegatus, zinnia, etc. Disease-causing plants. Ambrosia artemisifolia, rugweed causes hay fever. Euphorium species causes milk sickness in animals. Edible tubers are tubers of dahlia, helianthus, lactuca sativa. Leaves are edible. The salient or the diagnostic features. Herbs with opposite leaves, flowers epigynous, reduced florets in capitula.
Two types of florets, namely ray and disc floret. Ray florets are zygomorphic, pistillate, ligulate. Disc florets are actinomorphic, bisexual, tubular, corolla, calyx modified into pappus. Stamens 5, epipetalous, syngenetious, ovary 1, chambered, basal placentation, style 1, stigma bifid, fruit cypsella, one-seeded.